In this video I'm going to show you with how you can open a Payoneer account. So if you don't know what Payoneer is online platform of which you can use it to receive money from international market from your clients. If you are a freelancer or affiliate marketers, or you sell from Amazon, you use Payoneer as your payment platform and get withdrawal to your local account. So guys, if you are new to this channel, my name is Olorunwa. I make video online on how to make money. So please subscribe to this channel and so that you can be updated in our next video. So back to tutorial now. I will drop a link on this video so that you can use this link to register, and by the time you use this link to register, you'll be entitled to $25 US. So let's get tutorial started. As you can see on the screen here, you sign up and earn $25. Okay, after seeing this one, you can see freelancer or SMS, SMB, online seller, affiliate, marketers, vacation renter, host. So after that, get paid with international client market. So you click on this one. So now we have to register. Here. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here, we have two options here. Select your types of business. So we have to select individual. If you select this company, the requirement is much, so don't go there. So you fill this place appropriately. So after this, you select your date of birth. Here. So we move to, let me just select this one, 1986. So 10, I think 10, 9. Okay, so the next thing is to press next. Now as you can see, this is another page. Please fill in the field in English character only. So as you can see, if Nigeria is already there because that is my country. If you are not a Nigerian, you have to select here and pick the country you belong to. So street and number. So you select the street and number, residential address that you are staying. So for me now, let me just use 124. So the next thing is to fill your phone number. As you can see here, we have the Nigerian code here. You just have to start from 80. Yes, you have to start from 70. And then in this place you have to send code. Press send code so that the code will be sent to your number. So I've gotten my code. So the next thing here The next thing here is to press next. All right, this is another field. So all this one now, you press your password here. So after this, you insert your password. So you have to answer the security question here. So you can have, what is the name of the hospital you were born? What is the last name of your firstborn? So this one, you just pick any question that you can be standardized for security, these details, and then your details here, the ID card you want to use. We have national ID card here, we have driving license, and we have passport. So you can use either of the two here. So if you want to use passport here, date of issue, date of expiration, and then you want to use the ID card here, so you can use the ID card and use the number here. You can use your NIN. So the next thing is to fill the necessary thing here. So we are in another page now. Please add a bank account for withdrawal that belong to you. So here now you can also add your bank accounts. You can also add your bank account here. So that is the next thing to do now. So this place now, Nigerian currency, Nigerian, and then you have to click for the bank you want to add any bank there. So let me click for the bank I want to add now. So bank account registration guide, so all this one now. So let me come down to this place. So for me now, I'm looking for, let me add GTB bank here. Okay, so GTB bank, and then you provide your account number here. So you have to be 10 nuban 10-digit number. Okay, so the next thing is to agree to the terms and condition and privacy here, and then you also agree to the pricing and fees. So if you want, in this place now, you can click on this one to look for the price and fees. Maybe you want to send money from other places, from Payoneer to Payoneer. That actually, that one is free, so you can also look for this, so in futuristic, so that you will know all the details of Payoneer. So let me agree with all this one now. I will agree with this one. I'll check this one. So I have to move to the next page. I submit. Yes, now as you can see here, congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So as you can see here now, the next thing here is to go back to your email address. When you get back to your email address, you now click on it to, when you click on it, you will now verify your email. But as this case may be now, yes, as this case may be now, as telling me now to get started with all this information here. So I have to get started. So the next thing here is to do now, so we have to move back to our email address, as you can see. But now I want to sign up into my real account to explain the better understanding. So ladies and gentlemen, I have signed into my real account here now, so that we will continue from here. After you have seen your verification in your email to verify your account. So this is where you will log into, and this is where it will take you to. As you can see here, this is my balance here. I have US dollar. This is my account here. So the next thing for you to do next, after you verify your account, you come to the settings here. So when you come to these settings, so you move to verification centers. So when you get to the verification centers here, as you can see in my own case here, I don't have anything here. So for you now, there is going to be you have to verify your ID card, your place where you are staying. But let me go to the history for you to see better. As you can see here, passport under review. All this one is under review, the one I have submitted here. So this is how you this is how you will fill your Payoneer and how to open a well-established Payoneer that you can receive and send money to. Another way here is to add another bank account. You want to add another bank account to this Payoneer, so you can also add bank accounts to it. Actually, I have added a bank account to this account before. As you can see here, this is my local bank account. I have already added it, but Payoneer allow us to add like 3 accounts here. And then if you want to, you want to send this account number, Payoneer account number here, you can also send it to another place here. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a normal way and step by step to open a Payoneer account that you will not have issues. So if you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe to my channel, and you have to stay tuned to the next video, because the next video that I will teach you is to teach you how to fund this Payoneer that will help your arbitrage business. You fund your Payoneer if you are not a freelancer or you are not an affiliate marketer. So by the time you fund your Payoneer, you can at least it is profitable from the site I will show you. So if you find this tutorial